How to fix GCash app not working. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix GCash app not working issue. The first thing you want to do is make sure GCash isn't down. For that, you can visit GCash Twitter or their Facebook page for outage alerts. Now, the next thing you want to do is open up your settings, then tap on apps. Now tap on GCash. Here tap on storage. Tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on Permissions. Make sure that you allow all the permissions over here. After that is done, head back. Now check if your issue is fixed. If not, open up Play Store. Then tap on the search bar. Here, search for GCash. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. If there is no update option, you can simply tap on uninstall, then tap on uninstall over here. After that, simply reinstall the app and check. And with these steps, you will be able to fix the GCash app not working issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.